Hello, good morning, students. We are learning pronouns, kinds of pronouns, and today we learn emphatic pronoun or pronouns or emphasizing. Emphatic, six kinds of pronoun. For example, myself, yourself, himself. This pronoun is used in a reflexive pronoun to show the action of the subject, reflect on the subject, turn back on the subject is called reflexive pronoun. Here, the word myself, yourself, himself also used in emphatic to emphasize the work of the subject. For example, I myself cut the nail. Here, subject is I and myself is emphatic pronouns used to emphasize on the subject. हम कह सकते हैं कि ये माई सेल्फ का यूज इस पर जोर डालने के लिए, सब्जेक्ट पर जोर डालने के लिए किया जाता है कि इसमें ये बताते हैं कि मैं स्वयं नेल को काटा है, मैं स्वयं, मुझ पर ये एम्फेसाइज किया जा रहा है या इस वर्ड से किया जाता है। और ये वर्ड जो है बिल्कुल सब्जेक्ट जस्ट बाद आता है, जस्ट आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट। फॉर अनदर एग्जाम्पल वी विल सी here you yourself wrote this message. Here yourself is reflect emphatic pronoun. It is used to emphasize the subject, the work of the subject. You yourself wrote this message. Clear? And now we learn seventh kinds of pronoun. Relative pronoun, seventh. In relative pronoun, who, which, that are used. Relative pronoun relates a noun that comes before it to a group of words that follow is called a relative pronoun. For example, He is the boy who always comes late. Here who, the word who is relative pronoun that relates the boy who comes always late. Next example. Next example, we see the book that is laying on the floor is mine. Here, the word that, relative pronoun. Here, the word that is relative pronoun that relate about the book that is laying on the floor is mine. And now, it kinds of pronoun. Eight types. Number 8. Distributive pronoun. Each, either, neither. Here we see the example each, distributive pronoun, each, other, each, either, neither. Distributive pronoun so that the people or things are taken singly or in a separate group are called distributive pronoun. For example, each of the books here, each of the books, a number of books, a plural, but each shows singly. Each shows singly. So each of the books was opened. And then other example. Neither of them was present. Here them in plural, more person, more than one, but neither word shows that singly or not only neither of them was present. Neither is distributive pronoun. Here is distributive pronoun. And now kinds of next kind. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun that do not refer to any person. Indefinite pronoun do not refer any person or thing in particular. That is called indefinite pronoun. Understood? This pronoun do not refer to any person in particular. So these are called indefinite pronoun. Somebody, it is not clear who, nobody, all, no one. These are the example of indefinite pronoun. We see in example, here somebody has stolen his car. Stolen car has been stolen, but it is not clear who stole. Somebody is not in particular person, so somebody is indefinite pronoun. Second, all are foolish. All here, all are foolish. Here, not a definite person or a person in particular. All are foolish. So all, somebody, nobody is called indefinite pronoun. And in the last kind of pronoun, and 10th kinds of pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. Pronouns that denotes mutual action are called reciprocal pronoun. For example, one another, each other are called reciprocal pronoun. These words denote mutual action. These words, one another and each other, denotes mutual action. For example, here the sentence, the boys help one another in the class. Yes, this word shows one another, shows mutual action. And other word, each other, Here the sentence, they waved goodbye to each other as they parted. जब एक दूसरे से विदा होते हैं तो हाथ मिलाते हैं. First sentence, the boys help another in the class work, and second, they waved goodbye to each other as they parted. Now, I will give you some sentences, and you should identify which type of the pronoun to underline and name under it. For example, in this sentence, this book is mine. To here, you should to identify the pronoun and type kind of pronoun. Here, mine is pronoun and it is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. And first we underline the pronoun and write kinds of pronoun. I give you 10 sentences and you do in your notebook and try to identify the pronouns. हम बात करेंगे here are the sentences, and it is homework. It is homework for you, and try to identify the pronoun and kinds and its kinds. This is my pen. First sentence. Second, it is not yours. Third, she is not a doctor. Fourth, you should do it yourself. Fifth, they themselves complete it. Sixth, each of them is going. Seventh, you should help each other. Number 8, whom did you call up? Question mark. This decision is yours to make. 10, one must preserve one's tradition. And you will make and try to make an answer of this sentence, of these questions. I do in the next class. Have you nice day. Thank you.